See the another concept related to speed, train problems. So in exam point of view, this is a very important topic related to SI, constable and bank, SSC, railway, any exams. The train problems are very important. So if you see the questions like two trains are moving from two stations, they are meet at what time, yes or no, this type of questions are asking in a train problems. So in train problems also we are using the same formula, speed is equal to distance by time, same formula we are applying, but here also we have to take the distances, time and speed in a different way. Like what are these things? For example, what are the cases are possible in a trains? Take a train is moving, okay, train, this is a take as a train. So maybe this train can cross as the different stages, like a person is standing. When a person is standing, the train wants to cross this person. When will it crosses this person? The last edge, that means the last compartment also will crosses the person, then only the train will be crosses. Now maybe this is the last compartment, that become this point, another end. So then this train will be crosses this person or not? Okay, so here crosses means train has to move or not? So train is moving, so train is moving means train travels some distance. Here what is the distance? Now see, maybe the train length is 100 meters, because this is a long train, train is a more length. Now see the person, see the person size, maybe width is this much or this much or maybe bigger, but compare with the train length, the width, the person size is very small. So this value we should not take, this is as a very minute value, this is take as a 0. Now that means this is a 0, but when will it crosses means it is a travel some distance. How much distance travel? Maybe the train length is 100 meters, okay. If train travel 100 meters, the last compartment becomes to the starting or not? Because this is a 0 value, so the last compartment becomes to the starting point, it crosses the person. See, when will the train crosses the person? When will means the last compartment also crosses this person, then only it crosses the person. But see sir, the train has to move, it travels some distance. So how much distance travel? Now see, the train length is 100 meters, the person size is how much sir? Maybe the person size is 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40, maybe 1 meter, maybe this much. But what is the train length? This is a very big value. That means compare with the train length, the person size is very small. That means we call as 0. So no need of taking this value. Understand everyone sir? So the person size is no need to take. No need to take. That means when will it crosses the person means the last compartment. The last compartment becomes to the starting point. When the last compartment becomes to the starting point, it crosses the person. Understand everyone sir? Last compartment becomes to the starting point, it crosses the person. So why this is a very 0 value? We are taking the man size is 0. Compare with the train length. So how much distance here travel? The train travel total, the length of the train. Here what is the length of the train? 100 meters. Here train also travel 100 meters, it crosses a person. Maybe the train length is 200 meters, it travel 200 meters, it crosses a person. Understand everyone sir? That means here in a train crosses a person. A train crosses a person means the train travel how much distance? Length of the train. Understand everyone sir? That means man. A train crosses a person, that means man. Instead of man, take a pole, a signal pole. If you see the signals of train, the signals of pole very small value. So man or pole, take a small tree. In these 3 cases, train crosses a pole, train crosses a man, train crosses a tree. These 3 values are very small. So here what is the distance value? Distance is nothing but train length. Understand everyone sir? If a train crosses a person, if train crosses a person means train travel, the distance is nothing but train length. Understand? Clear? Okay. So in the previous case, what happened? The train crosses a man or train crosses a pole, but instead of crossing a pole, maybe the train is coming from Vizag to Vijayawada, so it crosses the stations or not? So it crosses a platform, yes or no? So this is a train. Okay, so it is coming, so one platform is there, like any another station platform or platform 2. So this train will crosses this platform. This is a take a platform. So when will it crosses a platform? When will crosses a platform means the last compartment becomes the other end. Now the train become this place to this place, the last compartment becomes here, then it crosses a platform. That means here train travel distance or not? Here how much distance is travel? That means train travel this distance, it has to overtake. Again this is travel platform, because platform also some length or not? So that means the train travel the last end to other end of the platform. That means ear to ear, what is the total distance? Train length plus platform length. That means a train crosses a platform means train travel how much distance? Train length as well as platform length. So that means platform. Instead of platform, any river bridge, if you take river bridge. So in these two cases, bridge also some length. If you take a Godavari bridge, yes or no? It is some length, some more value. So in these two cases, distance is nothing but what's that? Train length